Yes, good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, tell me what shall we do today? I mean, revision I mean, the statistics we have done. So, what shall we do today? Writing a quiz or discussing a topic? Tell me, make it fast. Will they write
There
a
are applications of trigonometry.
quiz? You want me to conduct a quiz on? Hello?
No, I want that topic. I think that topic will be good. No, I don't know about quiz or anything like.
Acha, anything is fine, but we have to, you want me to discuss that particular topic.
Yes.
What about others? Make it fast, decide it immediately so that we can just proceed for that.
Okay, sir, we'll do application of trigonometry. Yeah.
Chapter name is fine, but shall we go for quiz or questions?
Sir, I think questions is better. We can like practice, but for quiz, we just only have options. Like it's not descriptive in that. So doing question is better.
Okay. What do you suggest?
Doing questions, sir.
Yes, yes. Yes, Steve is suggesting questions. Okay. We will go for questions then. Okay, people. Okay, is it fine?
Yes, sir, sure.
Sir,
Yes.
there are applications of trigonometry. It's like an easy chapter. So can we have some different questions? There are some questions in which physics is also involved, right?
Okay. Okay. Okay, no problem. We'll solve all type of questions and we'll look into that, and we'll simultaneously, like, we'll solve the questions and we'll find out the depth of the questions. Okay. You don't want me to give the easy questions, somewhat difficult questions you want me to give?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The angles of depression of two ships from the top of a lighthouse and on the same side of it are found to be 45 degrees and 30 degrees. Okay. If the ships are 200 meters apart, find the height of the lighthouse. Height of the make it fast. Everyone take a snap of this question. Let me take a snap of the questions. I'll give you the questions directly.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I got the answer.
You got the answer?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer?
200 by √3 minus 1 meters.
200 by.
√3 minus 1.
So total answer. You tell me total answer.
As in, I should take √3 as 1.732.
200 by √3 minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Just tell me in a normal integer,
1 second, I'll solve.
please.
Sir, if it's normal integer, I also took √3, the value of √3. Then the answer should be 273.2.
But it is like
Sir, I'm getting 273.22.
Yeah.
okay. So yes, right, as almost right. But let me just give it to you one second. Let us solve that. Here the question is. Just give me a minute. I'm taking the questions. What about others? Guys, what about others? Amrita, what about you? Did you get the answer?
No, sir.
Why? What happened?
Sir, you're not sharing your screen.
Yeah. Just a minute. I'm sharing it. I'm just taking the question so that I'll
Okay.
share it. Yes, tell me, Amrita.
Yes, I'm still doing.
Still okay. Make it fast. Make it fast. Just a minute. Tushar, why late? When is your pre-board? Pre-board is going to happen in your schools?
Sir, 31st of January. So 4 days from now.
Oh, what about others?
So for me, it's on February first week.
Sir, 9th February, sir.
Okay. What about Amrita?
Sir, even I'm having from next week.
Great. Guys, pre-board, your school people is going to they are going to conduct, right? So please, when you are writing that, prepare well and write it. You can't write it for time pass, please. Prepare well and write it. You understood my point, everyone. So
Yes.
you prepare well and write it. See what are the topics. See, pre-board is nothing but like, to all the topics you'll be having. So we'll try to cover all the topics. So today we are solving these questions. So tomorrow I'll be whatever the questions I'm giving it to you. Please make all the questions. Okay, solve all these questions. ठीक है, these are very very important questions. तो हमने previous year का question भी solve कर रहा है, तो all these questions are very important. So make sure that you guys are like, taking these questions granted. I mean, seriously, and solve it without fail. ठीक है?
So if the board marks, board exam would be cancelled and pre-board will only be sustained.
Oh, is it so? But it won't happen.
It happened last year, right?
No. Maximum, like, it happened last year, but maximum, it happened last year, but this year it won't be. I thought you are saying, this year there is a kind of case they have announced like that. No, see, if it all happens, then there are chances, but let's hope it won't happen. But well, because, like, it's a very important key. You have to write and just get the result. It's a very good sign. Like, no, that's what I feel. Or else, like, everyone will get good marks, and like it is not a good sign. There is no point of studying then, isn't it? Am I correct? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Just getting free marks, like, it's not a good sign. So we shouldn't support that system. But if situation demands like that, then we can't do anything. But yeah, still,
But last time many students didn't study well for the pre-board, which is why they lost mark.
yes. So be careful. So that is what I'm saying. You please study well. Don't write as the time pass. Make sure that you guys are preparing well. ठीक है बेटा? So take all the questions which I'm giving you here. Okay. Yes. Chalo, let me share the screen. Now solve one by one, one by one. Yes. The first question you done. 273. How many of you got 273 something?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
273.2.
Yes, very good. Solve this question. Next one. Everyone solve this question. Yes. One second, guys. For giving space, it will be a problematic. That's why I'm just doing this.
Sir, I got the answer for the second one.
Oh, you got it.
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Findings. Findings.
Yes.
Sir, should I find the answer with the root
Done,
3
sir.
value?
With the
No, sir. They have given the root 3 value. I didn't plug it in. I'll plug it. Yeah.
Sir, I'm done. I got it with an integer value.
what's the answer of this?
8.856.
8 point.
8.856.
8 point. 8 point. Sorry.
8.8.
8.8 you are getting, but not 8.8. But it is somewhere. Look at this.
Sir, I got 32.66 meters.
No. Like what he has given horizontal distance between two poles is 15 meters. Okay, so two poles, let me take like this. This is pole 1 and pole 2. Okay, this base. This is 15 centimeters. 15 meters is the distance between them. Angle of deflection of the top of the pole as seen from the top of the second pole is 30 degrees. So from the top of the pole, so this is my top of this. Okay. So this is my first pole and second pole you take, and take anything like okay. So A, B, C, D. Okay, these are the tops. of the pole. So from these are the tops. ठीक है, इधर एक surface है. So from the top of the pole, what is the angle of depression? Angle of depression मतलब, see the angle of depression of the top of the first pole as seen from the top of the second pole. तो top of the second pole इधर है, ठीक है, somewhere you have here. तो इधर से इधर देखेंगे तो मुझे कितना मिल रहा है, ये 30 डिग्रीज, ठीक है. सो नाउ यू से and the height of the second pole is this much. This is second pole height, right? This is 24 given, 24 centimeter. So 24 meters.
Sir, is the answer 15.4?
15 point
0.4.
15.4 not 15.34 is the right answer.
Sir, isn't it okay if it's that close?
Sorry.
No, sir.
No, it should be accurately. So let us solve it 1 second. So let us take the name in order.
But can we round it off?
A, B, C, D. Yes, you can round it up. If it is 1.9 and something, you can round it up to 2.
Oh,
But
okay.
not that much difference. Okay. You can't 15.34. You can't write it as 15.4. You can write 15.56 something like. You can write it as 15.6. If you are above decimal, above 0.5, then you can decimal. You can approximate. You can round it up to the next decimal, but you can't round it up to a huge one. Okay, but still.
Yes.
Okay. So this is what the oh, 1 second. It's a very easy question, not a big deal. But calculation, see, trigonometry, this is an application of trigonometry, is all about how accurately you are calculating. Okay, so ये 15 होगा तो ये भी 15 होगा AD, right?
Yes.
So, and let's say this is my E point. Okay, so horizontal distance. So what he has given, everything he has given. So which, if I observe this triangle, this triangle, में what is a tan theta? Opposite, base I have, I mean adjacent I have, and yeah. So can we use tan 30? Tan 30 is what?
Yes.
Tan 30 is what? Opposite by adjacent. So AD, I mean not AD, DE, D by divided by 15.
AD.
So 1 by root of 3 is equal to DE by 15. So DE is equal to 15 by root 3. So 15 by root 3 can be written as what? 3 into root 3 into root 3 into 5. Am I correct? So 3 root 5. Can I write?
Yes.
Or 5 root 3? 5 root 3 is my, you know what, that this one, the top of the pole from the, I mean the D is what, that is what I got, 15 root 3. And he has given clearly, look at this here, the question, use root 3 as 1.732. So इसको 1.732 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा मुझे? 1.732. तो कितना मिलेगा मुझे? 1.732. हाउ मच यू गॉट? 5.7 पॉइंट कितना मिलेगा? मल्टीप्लाई करो.
So 8.66.
8.66.
8.66 क्या है? meters. He has given meters. This is my what? DE. Okay. हाँ. Now what he is asking us to find? Find the height of the first pole. He is asking us to find height of the first pole. मुझे क्या find out करना है? AB find out करना है मुझे. AB find out करने के लिए मुझे क्या चाहिए? Here AB is equal to C, I mean CD or not?
Yes.
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
देखो पहले मुझे क्या करना है? CD का वैल्यू पता करना है मुझे. तो we know that मुझे क्या पता है इधर? CD का वैल्यू पता है मुझे. CE का वैल्यू how much? 24. CE का वैल्यू, CE can be written as how? CE can be written as CD plus DE. Am I correct? Which is
Yes.
24. तो मुझे मेरे पास क्या है? CD plus DE कितना है? 8.66 is equal to 24. तो CD कितना मिलेगा मुझे? CD how much बेटा?
15.34.
15.34. CD is equal to 15.34. So CD 15.34 होगा तो ये 8.66 होगा तो ये भी बराबर होगा ना, 15.34 ही होगा.
Yes.
Am I correct?
Yes.
That it guys, 15.34. The height of the first pole is what? So therefore AB, which is height of the first pole, is equal to 15.34. ठीक है? This is what the question is all about. ठीक है? Any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
Very simple. Next question. I'll give the next question. Oh, बेटा एक मिनट थोड़ा इधर डिस्टरबेंस है. Oh, I'm not able to create the space here, but still, 1 second. कुछ नहीं है. See, it is not coming actually. 1 second. Everyone solve this question. Everyone solve this question. Just a minute. Make it fast. Solve that question immediately.
Sir, I got 103.92.
100 and
103.92.
103.92. एक मिनट देख लेंगे क्या आंसर. 100 and
103.
okay, right. But what is asking? That is not final. That is not your final answer. Find the full answer.
That's the total distance.
As observed from the top of the 60-meter height of the lighthouse from the sea level, the angles of depression of two ships 30, 45. Okay, if the one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, or find out the distance between two ships. Okay.
Sir, I'm getting 43.92 meter.
Yes, sir, same. I
Yeah,
forgot to
same.
subtract 43.92.
43.90 is a perfect. 43.92 is the right answer. How many of you got this?
Sir, I got.
What about Amrita?
Even me, sir.
Tushar? Tushar, are you here?
Yes, yes, sir. I'm here.
Got the answer? Yogesh? Amrita, got the answer?
Sir, I'm almost done.
Okay, make it fast. See, you have two ships here. Kuch bhi le lo, A and B are two ships. Just
Yes, sir, I
Even
got.
I got 43.92.
next question. Solve the next one.
Sir, 200 meters per second.
Sir, are you showing the question, aeroplane question?
Yeah, I'm showing the question. Look at the question here.
I think it's, yeah, now we
Oh,
can see.
acha, acha, acha. I thought that question.
Before we couldn't see the questions.
No, both. Acha, acha, acha. This and this question are same. So I just. Oh, this question is again. I just. Okay, okay. Got it, got it. One second. I'm sorry. एक minute, एक minute. Right.
Sir, I got 200 meters per second.
100 meter for.
200 meters per second.
Huh. So yes, 200 meter per second. Then if you convert into kilometer per hour, just like convert into kilometer per hour, what would you get?
Sir, I'm facing difficulties only these types of questions.
Okay, no problem. One second, let me just help you.
Okay.
Sir, is it 720?
Yes,
Kilometer per
seven.
hour?
Yeah, exactly, exactly. 720. So this angle of elevation of aeroplane from a point on the ground is 60 degrees. After a flight of 30 seconds, the angle of elevation becomes 30. Very good question. है देखो बेटा, this is very very good question, fantastic question. देखो ठीक है. So angle of elevation is talking about angle of elevation. The point in the ground is 60 degrees. So कुछ भी एक point है ground पे, तो angle of elevation कितना है? Okay, so if the aeroplane is flying at a constant height of 300, somewhere 300, I mean 3000 root 3 meters, find the speed of the aeroplane. Okay, so from the point angle of elevation, how much given here? So let's say that it is the height of the aeroplane which where it is flying. Okay, okay. Now, and this is of some point here. Let's say the point A. From this point, the angle of elevation is how much? How much? This is a ground. If I take this is 60 degrees given. Okay. Okay. And after a flight of 30 seconds, after that flight of 30 seconds, the angle of elevation become 30 degrees. ठीक है. 30 seconds के बाद क्या हो जाएगा? After 30 seconds देखो, from this it was like flying at this height. After 30 seconds, ठीक है. After 30 seconds what happens? The angle of elevation थोड़ा कम हो जाएगा ऐसा. ठीक है. Come, so it will be somewhere like this. The height will be like this, right? ठीक है. जो extend this. समझ में आ रहा है? Anuj, you got my point?
Yes, sir.
So this is 60 here. 60. Then it will be 30. ठीक है. So just give the names here: A, B, A, C, D, and E. So this gap, this gap is extending after how many minutes? 30 minutes, right? This is after 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
So after 30 seconds, this is after 30 seconds. ये वाला gap. ठीक है. मुझे क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? आई नीड टू फाइंड आउट द स्पीड ऑफ द एरोप्लेन. ठीक है. सो पहले क्या लगाएंगे? डायरेक्ट tan 60 लगाएंगे. तो फ्रॉम विच ट्राइंगल? फ्रॉम द ट्राइंगल एबीसी. tan 60 how much beta? See, those who have done, you can solve the next question. Please don't wait for me. I think same question I have given here. Yes. So tan 60, what is the tan 60 here? Opposite by So BC by AB, right? BC by AB. Tan 60 how much? Root 3 directly. BC how much beta? ये BC height कितना है? This height is given that 3000 root 3 given. ठीक है, this height. देखो height is what? This BC is height, right? So 3000 root 3 by AB. Am I correct? Root 3 cancel हो जाएगा तो मुझे ये भी क्या मिलेगा? 3000 meters. Am I correct? Till this any doubts beta? Tushar and any doubts here people?
No doubt.
हाँ, देखो मुझे क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, स्पीड फाइंड आउट करना है। तो मुझे स्पीड फाइंड आउट करने के लिए मुझे पहले क्या चाहिए, स्पीड फाइंड आउट करने के लिए मुझे डिस्टेंस चाहिए, पहले डिस्टेंस बाय टाइम, राइट? स्पीड इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस बाय स्पीड इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस बाय स्पीड इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस बाय टाइम। दिस इज माय फॉर्मूला। सो डिस्टेंस, सो मुझे डिस्टेंस पता चल गया कितना, ए बी, दिस इज डिस्टेंस, राइट? दिस इज डिस्टेंस, आई मच हाउ मच आई गॉट? 3000 meters आई गॉट। ठीक है,
Sir, is
सो
the answer for the next question 17.32?
17.32, no. The top of the tower. Which one you're saying?
The next one, sir, not this one. I'm done with it.
You done with this?
Yes, sir, this one I'm talking about, the one you just marked.
Okay, 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 okay. How much? 17?
17.32.
Angle of elevation is... No. Check your answer once.
Yes, sir.
So, AB 3000 meters given, and from the triangle ADE, देखो बेटा, from the triangle ADE, Anudip, from the triangle ADE, if you talk about what would you get? Tan 30. Tan 30 how much? DE divided by DE divided by
AD. D divided by AD.
AD. So tan 30 how much? 1 by root 3. DE how much? This one is 3000 root 3. Then this one also will be
3000 root 3.
So
3000 root 3 by 3000 meter plus BD.
yes, by AD. By AD. Am I correct? By AD.
By BD, sir.
No, this one fully. I'm
No,
talking.
sir. You know that we know that AB is
Yeah,
3000 meter, right?
we can write later. We can write later. No problem at all. Dekho, let me. You guys, AD is equal to what? 3000 into 3. Am I correct? Root 3 into root 3. Yes or no? AD is equal
Yes.
to 9000 meters. Am I right? AD 9000 hai, so this one is fully 9000 now.
So BD is 6000.
Very good. BD is equal to 6000. Samajha? I got distance now.
Yes, sir.
I got distance. So speed we have to find out. Then speed is equal to distance by time. Distance how much? 9000. Sorry. We need to find out distance of what is speed of the aeroplane. The speed of the aeroplane after the 30 seconds, right? Right? So 6000. So BD is the distance. Are you getting my point? After the 30 seconds, beta, देखो either after this one, after reaching here, it is taking 30 seconds, right? From this to this, what was the flight? You know, what was the speed of the flight? That is what he's asking. Am I right? So by how much time? 30 seconds. This will get cancelled. So 200, 3 ones, 3 twos, 200 meter per second. 200 meter per second. 200 meter per second I got. That is my speed. Convert into kilometer per hour. Yes, 200 meter. For converting into kilometer per hour, how do you do this?
Sir, 1 hour has 3,600 seconds. So
Hmm.
multiply that. So
Exactly.
3,600 seconds divided by 1 hour.
3,600. So multiplying 3,000 1 hour, right? Kilometer per hour. So 1
Yes, sir.
kilometer would be how many meters here? 1,000.
Yes.
No? So three zeros will get cancelled. How much? 72 kilometer per hour. How many of you got this, guys? Look at this here. One,
Yes, sir. 720.
a meter per second, right? I'm converting into kilometer per hour. So 1 hour would be 3,600 seconds. So like that. Okay? By 1,000. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next question. Angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30, and angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 45.
Sir, I'm still getting 117.
The tower is 30-meter high, then the height of the building is what? A very good question. Sorry, tell me.
I'm still getting 17.32.
17.32.
Yes.
1 second. Yes, yes. 10 root 3. What is the 10 root 3 value?
Yes, sir. 10 into
Yes, exactly,
1.732.
exactly. You are right. 17.32 is a perfect right answer. You are right. Solve this question. If those who have done, they go for the next question.
Sir, I'm getting 720 kilometers per hour.
What? Sorry,
720 kilometers per hour.
which one? The next one?
The next one, yeah.
7. The same question. That is the same question. I think
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's the same question. Need not solve this question. I think this one also same. No. Already we have solved this question.
No, sir.
No. What is the answer?
Sir, I'm getting 2.86 meter approx.
Which one you are getting? This one or this one?
2.86 meter. Yes, sir, for that.
Okay. 2.86. No, guys, how many of you, what is the answer of this question? They know the height of the building. What is the answer of this? Answer is
Sir,
yes.
17.32.
17.32 is the right answer. 17.32 meters. Perfect. What is the answer of this?
They ask the distance between tower and building, and I'm getting 2.86.
2.86 is the wrong answer, but you leave it.
Sir, is the distance between the tower and the building 68.3 meters?
68.25.
Yes, sir.
Height of the tower is what?
Height of the tower is 50 plus 68, so 100 and
Yeah.
113. I mean 118.35.
Yes. What is the answer, people? What is the answer? Make it fast. Guys, answer for this question is asking distance between the tower and the building is what?
Sir, I got the answer for a man standing on the deck of a ship.
Okay. How many of you got this? Amrita, you got the answer. Tushar, you got the answer. Steve?
Sir, I got it without a distance.
Without?
Yes, sir, I got.
Very good. Next question.
Sir, just note down my answer for that. Man standing on the
Man
deck of a
standing
ship.
question. Okay, man standing question. Okay, tell me.
Sir, I got the distance between the man to the hill as 30 meter
Hmm?
and the height of the hill as 40 meter.
Height of the hill is correct, but the distance is wrong.
Okay.
Check
1
it
minute.
once. Check it once. See, the man standing on the deck of the ship, which is 10 meter above the water level. So this is one. So
So I'm still getting 30.
okay. Let's check. What about others? So let's say this is my man's deck of the ship, and this is my land. Okay, base, and this is my hill. Okay, this is my hill. ठीक है? मेरा hill है, ठीक है? This is my hill and okay, let's consider this as point as A, B, and this is my C, and this is D here. Okay, and this is E point. Okay, I have something, this surface here, and let me join these two. ठीक है? तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? And what he has given here, angle of elevation of top of the hill as 60 angle of elevation. तो ये क्या होगा? 60 degrees. From where? And angle of deflation of the base of the hill is 30.
Sir, I got height of the hill as 40 meters and distance as 17.32.
Distance is 17.32, exactly 17.3. Right answer. Perfect. This much, this AB, how much given? This much. This one, AB given 10 meters. Okay. And this one given as 30 degrees. Right? Am I clear? And तो ये भी 10 होगा मेरा. This is also going to be 10. ठीक है? So from the, yeah. So what is tan 30 here? Tan 30 is equal to what? AB by BC from the triangle ADC, from the triangle ABC. So BC, how much you get here? AB, how much? 10 root 3. Am I correct? Am I correct? BC is equal to what? 10 root 3. आपको ऐसा नहीं समझना. Tan 30 how much बेटा? 1 by root 3 is equal to AB 10 by BC. BC is equal to 10 root 3 meters. Okay. So this is BC here. BC is what? 10 root 3. This one is 10 root 3. I got. Am I correct? Yes. And what he is asking us to find out, find the distance of the hill from the ship and the height of the hill. Okay. Find the distance of the hill from the ship. Ship से ये distance कितना है? Okay. Hill वाला. ठीक है. And from the triangle ADE, what is tan 60? Tan 60 is what? DE upon AD. So root 3 is equal to AD कितना है मुझे? 10 root 3. ठीक है. P upon T upon 30. ये मुझे कितना मिलेगा? 10 root 3 to 3, 30 meters. DE 30 है. ठीक है, this is 30 meters. Am I correct?
Yeah.
This is 30 I got. ठीक है, थोड़ा पेशेंस से कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा तो आपको मिल जाएगा। मुझे क्या चाहिए इधर? डिस्टेंस बिटवीन, आई मीन द डिस्टेंस ऑफ द हिल फ्रॉम द शिप and the height of the hill. Height of the hill is what? 40. Height of the hill is what? Height of the hill. Hill is what? C, right? CD plus DC. 30 plus 10 is equal to 40 meters. ठीक है, डिस्टेंस कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे इधर?
Sir, 10 into 1.732, so 10 moves over 17.3.
या सो डिस्टेंस ऑफ द हिल फ्रॉम द शिप. मेरा शिप कहाँ है इधर? सी समवेयर हियर. ठीक है, दिस इज एंड yeah, so 10 point, how much is just like calculate this 10 root 3, how much? 10 root 3 is nothing but how much? 10 root 3 is nothing but 10 into 1.732, which gives you 1.732. Am I correct? Sorry, 17.32. 17.32, correct? DC का value. So this one 17.32. 17.32. Am I right? So 17.32 say, what do you have to write? Distance of the hill from the ship is 17.3. That is what, right? Correct?
Yes, sir.
That is what the right answer. Guys, how many of you got this? मुझे Anujip, I didn't understand how you got this. 30, 30, 30. 30 मुझे मिलेगा D का value. D is 30. Hello?
Sir, I calculated BC. When I did BC, I got 10 root 3 meter, just like that.
Mhm.
So AD also will be 10 root 3 meter.
AD,
Tan
हाँ,
BC is 10 root 3.
exactly.
So tan BC will be ED by 10 root 3.
देखो, what is asking? ये hill, this is from hill to ship is what? This distance only, right? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
देखो, this from this to this is what the distance. ये and ये बराबर ही होगा, तो I got this one, then this one will be also the same, right? So that is the answer. So
Oh.
but the hill is
Yes,
what?
sir,
30.
understood.
Okay, so this is what the thing, guys. Like, whatever I have few more questions, so I'll just posting out here. So do solve those questions as well. Okay, got it, guys? I'll just give remaining questions as well. Please take those questions as homework and solve them as well. Okay, people, clear?
Yes, sir.
So everyone solve the questions without fail. Just a minute, let me post all the questions.
Sir, on Google Classroom?
No, in the notes itself, these notes, whatever the notes I'm sharing.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, I'll be posting here. I'll share in the notes itself so that you guys can solve it. Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
children. So, okay, let's wind up the session. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Please prepare the well and write your exams well. Don't waste your time. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you,
Goodbye.
sir. Bye.
Bye.